What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got another one in this week. We finished off the other truck. We had it for Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday now they dropped off another truck, local, which is good because I can get them out in and out. We're gonna be doing Silverado Sleepy Eyes step side. This thing's badass. It's clean. I like it. We're gonna be doing a Titan window install, used sunroof, wild on sunroof, and a starlight kit with blue suede. We're gonna go with blue suede, which is gonna look badass because the blue on this truck is real nice and it's bright, just like that blue suede. So this thing's gonna come out badass. Customer brought it in. I've been talking to his, I believe it's his cousin or his brother-in-law. I'm not sure which one it is, but I guess this is gonna be a surprise for him for his birthday coming up. So he did come down and brought it for the Titan window, but he doesn't know that he's getting a sunroof and starlights installed with the blue suede, which is gonna look badass. So it's gonna be a surprise for him. I told him I need the truck dropped off today, and then we'll give it to him on Sunday because I got my weekend appointments. So we'll get him in and out. But it's gonna be badass. Happy birthday to you, bro, and I hope you like it. Let's check out the truck. Check it out. Badass, clean. Step side. Where are those? 24s, 22s, not too sure. Badass snowflakes. Clean. 24s. This thing is nice. We're gonna start removing everything, his system and all that. It's gonna be a nice clean Titan install as usual. And then we'll get on with get that done, wired up, powered up. Then we'll start with the headliner, blue. And maybe I'm gonna talk to his brother-in-law or cousin, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna talk to him and see if he wants me to wrap those in blue suede. That's gonna look real nice. He has them wrapped in this kind of, see if I can pick it up, this kind of fabric you can see there. But I think these pillars will look badass blue suede. And then we'll paint these blue. We'll paint these blue plastics, everything how I usually do it, just to tie everything in. We'll move that light to the back. He has no top console, so we'll make the install cleaner and go from there. All right, guys, we got the Titan window installed. Came out clean. Took the driver's seat, cleaned it up a little bit. Here's the inside. Looks good. I'll put that cover on here, that factory one. We're almost done. We're wiring it up now. You can see how clean that looks. Everything's hidden. We're gonna go ahead and we ran the wires already to here. We're gonna go ahead and install the button right here. Is usually where I put it for the Titan window. And then we'll get that powered up. All right, guys, we got the headliner cut out, ready for blue suede. First layer of fiberglass is on top. Let that dry. We'll sand it down, put some kitty hair. Here's the inside. We're gonna go ahead and wrap the headliner in some blue suede, real nice blue suede. We'll get it wrapped up, and then once we wrap it, we'll turn it around, and then we'll start the dots for the star headliner. All right, guys, we got the headliner wrapped in this badass royal blue suede. This thing came out real nice. We're gonna turn it over and then start the dots for the starlight kit. And then once that gets done, as that's getting done, we're gonna go ahead and install the box and the kit, wire it all up, power it all up. So at the end of the day, all we'll have left is cutting all these little strands, gluing it, and installing it. Everything will be powered up. Alright guys, we got these pillars from the truck. They were wrapped in this type of material, which is already peeling off. I stripped it down, cleaned it up, and my opinion is I think they'll look better if I wrap them in blue to match the headliner. So this is gonna look way better than this material here. You can see it's all creased up. There's some of the glue's coming off, but I'm gonna end up doing this. I'm not gonna charge the customer, and I think in my opinion they look better blue. I'm gonna go ahead and do that on my part, and hopefully he likes it. You can see how it's all baggy, but I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. I want this interior in the headliner to look real good, the headliner, and then with the pillars, so it will tie everything in. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this, wrap it, let me know what you think. All right guys, check out the difference. Nice and clean compared to the other one. The sunroof is wired up. Like I said, we did a tight window already. That's wired up, powered up. That's all done. Sunday, I need to do the body work up on top. This will be worked on in the morning. I do have another install Saturday morning coming from Deming, New Mexico. We're going to be doing a brand new install sunroof with the suede and starlights also. Here she is guys, all done. Came out badass. Starlight blue. The pillars, what do you think about the pillars? Think it was a good move to wrap them or leave them in that black? Painted the button. Visors, we'll leave them open because there's some stars on them. Visors look, pillars look real good. I like how it came out. It came out badass. Just needs his interior now. If he sticks with that blue, the blue seats, maybe blue and black. But it's just a start.